Hi, everybody. Happy snow day. I hope you have enjoyed your day so far and have had a little bit of a chance to go outside and enjoy the fun snowy weather. This afternoon for reading, we are going to be reading a book called Snowmen at Night. And as we are reading it, I want you to think about if you went and built a snowman, what do you think if your snowman came to life? What do you think your snowman would do at night? That's what this whole book is about, is what snowmen do at night when we all go to sleep. So as I'm reading it to you, think about that, and we are going to be doing a little creative writing piece with those thoughts after we read. Okay, so our book for our read aloud today is Snowmen at Night. One wintry day I made a snowman, very round and tall. The next day when I saw him, he was not the same at all. His hat had slipped, his arms drooped down. He really looked a fright. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmen do at night? I think that snowmen start to slide when it gets really dark, off the lawn and down the street, right into the park. They gather in a circle while they wait for all the others, sipping cups of ice-cold cocoa made by snowman mothers. Then the snowman games begin. They line up in their places, each one anxious for his turn in the snowman races. After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go on over to the pond to do skating tricks on ice. Sometimes they start giggling, and when they act like clowns, they bump into each other till they all fall down. They gather up their snowballs, the pitcher takes his aim, and underneath the moonlit sky they play a baseball game. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight, with snowmen throwing snowballs in the world's best snowball fight. Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. Wahoo! They yell. This is by far the snowmen's biggest thrill. Finally, they're tuckered out and getting sleepy, so they slowly gather up their things and one by one they go. So if your snowman's grin is crooked, or if he's lost a little height, you'll know he's just been doing what snowmen do at night. All right, I hope you loved the Read Aloud Snowmen at Night. This is one of my favorites. I just love imagining what my snowman outside would be doing when I go to bed. So your job right now, first of all, if you are able to, I want you to go outside and build a snowman. So I want you to bundle up, put on your layers, and as long as it is safe for you to do so, whoever is at home, check in with them and make sure it's okay. Go outside and enjoy and build a snowman. If it's possible, take a picture of your snowman. And I want you then, when you're done, come back in, warm up, and I would like you to write about what you think your snowman does at night. So you can think about one of the scenarios that's in the book. So it could be that they go, your snowman goes and plays a baseball game, like this scene. Or maybe you choose a different sport. Maybe your snowman goes and has a hockey game. Maybe your snowman goes and does something similar to this page here. Maybe they go sledding, or maybe your snowman goes skiing. I want you to get creative and actually think about your snowman that you're going to go build and think about what they'll do tonight when you go to bed. Enjoy, have fun, and I can't wait to see all of your work.